Hi everyone, welcome to my channel where we explore math step by step from the basics all the way to advanced topics. Whether you love math or find it tricky, here you will find simple explanations and useful examples to help you learn. Today we start with the very foundation of math, numbers. Sounds simple, but understanding numbers well is super important for everything we'll do later. So what exactly is a number? A number is a symbol or concept that helps us count, measure, and label things. We use numbers every day when we count money, check the time, or even measure how tall we are. Numbers help us understand the world by putting things into order, comparing sizes, and solving problems. Now, there are different types of numbers, and it's good to know the basics first. Natural numbers. These are the numbers we first learned to count with 1, 2, 3, and so on. They don't include zero or negatives. Think of them as counting numbers. The second ones, whole numbers. These are like natural numbers, but they include zero as well. So 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. Imagine you have 0 apples. That is still a number. Integers. Integers include whole numbers and their negatives like -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. These are useful when talking about things like temperature below zero or depths in money. Let's look at some real life examples. Natural number. Counting people in a room. 1, 2, 3, and so on. Whole numbers, your bank balance can be zero or more. You can have $0 or more dollars. Integers, temperature can go below zero, like -5 degrees in the winter. Why is this important? Understanding these basic types of numbers helps you when you learn more complicated math later, like fractions, algebra, or even calculus. It's like knowing your alphabet before writing a story. Thanks for watching. That was our introduction to numbers, simple but powerful building blocks of all mathematics. In the next episode, we'll take it a step further and explore rational and irrational numbers, the ones that include fractions, decimals, and even some numbers that go on forever without repeating. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below. What's one math topic you've always wanted to finally understand? See you in the next episode, and as always, stay curious and keep learning.